Yun. By polypropylene, yung end product natin ang ginagamit kay sa isang petrochemical process plant ang kinukuha ay yung polypropylene and polyethylene na ang gamit na process para makuha yun ay polymerization. Go na for butane.
Okay, so good afternoon po din sa ating lahat. So I am Arjun B. Rivera po, and I am tasked to discuss and elaborate the butane. So as you can see, it has a chemical formula of C4H10. So for previous slide po, yung una po. Ayan, so as you can see po here is the chemical structure of our butane. So 4 carbons and 10 hydrocarbons. So para lang po mas ma-familiarize natin and ma-recall yung kanyang structure. So moving on, so let's differentiate first what is butane by physical and chemical properties. So next slide po. Ayan, so for the physical property of butane, so ang odor po ng ating butane is gasoline-like natural gas, and it is colorless. Ano po? So for the solubility, it dissolves in non-polar substance, and meron po itong bad conductivity. So butane ay made po of covalent bonds, kaya po hindi siya nagko-conduct ng unlike sa other chemicals. So on the other hand, we have the chemical properties. So in terms of flammability, so butane po is highly flammable and uh, heavy explosive to the gas po. So kaya siya ay toxic din. Ano po? Sige po. Next slide po. So butane is like any other substance. If it goes below the melting point, syempre siya po ay magiging solid, and if the temperature goes above the melting point, it turns into a gas. So butane po is highly reactive with oxygen, and it undergoes combustion reactions to produce carbon dioxide and water. So as cited po sa ating manual, so sources of butane include the natural gas and oil, steam cracking of higher hydrocarbons, and refinery gases. So malimit po nakikita ang butane sa mga samgyupan niya. So mga mahilig pong mag-samgyup. Ayun, so kidding aside. So next slide po. So in our manual po, we have here a schematic representation of production of safer hydrocarbons. So, based po sa aking research kanina ay yun po, wala pong makita ng katulad na ganito. So, in-scan ko na lang po siya, and I'll try my best to discuss this uh, as best as I can. Ano po, so yun po, katulad ng sinabi kanina, ang source po ng ating methane is the crude oil or natural gas. So nag-undergo po ito ng several process such as degasification and distillation. So under distillation po, we have here the hydrocracking, thermal cracking, and visc breaking, and coking. So doon po, ang naiba po dyan sa apat na yan is the hydrocracking, which is siya lamang po nakapag-produce ng butane, while the other three, the thermal cracking, visc breaking, and coking, can produce butane and butene. On the other hand naman po, sa kabilang process, we have the catalytic reforming, catalytic cracking, and steam cracking. So, then naman po sa tatlong yan, only the catalytic reforming can produce butane, and the other two, catalytic cracking and steam cracking, can produce butane and butene po. Ayan. So, ayun. That's all po for butane. Thank you very much po.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm Francesca Lee Anjoven, together with my partner, Jan Leonard De Luna, and we are going to present the aromatics na nasa module natin. Next slide po.
So aromatics. Aromatics are hydrocarbons, organic compound that consist exclusively of the